Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all really well, and hey to anybody that is new, I am Sophie Hannah. Today I'm going to be showing you 5 ways you can style up a bandana into your hairstyle. So I've got 5 completely different styles. You've got many to choose from. Some will work with short hair, some will work with long hair. My hair's kind of medium-y length. It's actually grown loads and I think I'm going to leave it to grow because I want a nice updo for my wedding, so I think the longer the hair the better. Anyway, so I've got 5 different tutorials for you. I'm going to be using this bandana which I got from Claire's. I'll pop a link below if you want to shop it. There's many other colours, and yeah, let's get to it. they were my 5 bandana hairstyles for you guys. I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Please comment below with your favourite look. Was it 1, 2, 3, 4 or 5? And yeah, please don't forget to subscribe. The button is here. I would absolutely appreciate it. I've got so many more ideas to come. And yeah, thanks for watching, and I will see you all in my next video. Peace out.